Hello and good day everyone. Today I will be giving you your assessment instead of face-to-face. So I will make it into on um, asynchronous format or mode. No? So for your project name, either naka-mobile ka mo or naka laptop or desktop kung anong yung mga gadget ang gamit nyo. Mapa-tablet man, PC, laptop, or even your mobile phone as long na naka-Android, no? So, all you need to do is to create a project name, no? So, that is the name of our project. That would be the assessment, no? Then, all you need to do is to create I follow the instruction gali, no? So, just create a program that would accept the following. So, we have meaning ano ka mo guys, no? Magamit ka mo CIN on this part, no? So we have number of days rented, name of the item rented, and the price of the item. So that is the requirement for the first instruction. Second instruction, so just compute for the total sales based on the given formula. So we have the total sales is equal to the price of the item, then the number of days rented. So that's the second instruction. So meaning you cannot proceed to the second instruction if you do not comply on the first instruction. Then on the third instruction, so that we also program should accept the cash or amount tendered. Okay, so either you can put cash or amount on the accept. Okay, then compute the given formula. Okay, so the formula would be change, no, is equal to the amount tendered or cash tendered, no, depende kung anong gamitin nyo, amount tendered or cash tendered minus the total sales. So meaning you cannot proceed on the third instruction, so if you cannot solve the second instruction. So meaning nakaano sa guys, no, naka-algorithm siya from first instruction to the second to the third. Okay, and then the fourth instruction, so all you need to do is to display all of the transaction detail. Now came from the instruction 1 until instruction number 3. So that's the requirement of instruction number 4. Okay, now this time I will be demonstrating naman kung paano mag submit sa inyong file. So for the mobile, while the desktop application is loading, sorry. Okay, so example, pag run nyo guys, no, isang natapos nyo na ang ma-solve ang problem. So all you need to do is to save this file on the mobile niya. So those nga nagagamit no mobile, so save it as. So try to observe guys the location of the project that you have already created nga na-solve na ang ini nga problem, ang given problem naton. If you solve it already, so imo nyo naman is to rename the file. Ang name sang file naton for file, susundon nyo lang kung ano ang project name. So ang project name ta is assessment prelim. So meaning assessment excuse me, prelim. Okay, so maybe you can put now your family name. So example, ang family name ko ta is sorry. So we have assessment prelim underscore family name. kung may double nga family name sa inyo nga section, so you can put the first name na lang. I mean, family name and then first name para at least ma-identify ko kung sino na siya. Okay? So, example, so we have this file. Once you save it, ang next nyo naman nga himuon is to find out kung dito nabutang or na-locate ang assessment prelim underscore your family name. So you just exit on the coding C++. On my part, I will be using file manager. I don't know kung anong inyong Normally, kung naka-file manager, sa all. Now, ang pangitaon ta is all, not the specific icon. All. Home storage. Then, you try to locate the downloads. So, hindi ko magkagto sa kay Android or any part of your file manager. Ito ko mo sa Android. And then, you locate, pangitaon nyo guys, ang coding C++. Isa. Okay? And then, all you need to do is to copy this one, then post it on our Google Drive. The Google Drive link will be provided by me, and i-post ko na siya sa aton nga GC. Okay? So dito nyo i-upload ang inyong assessment on the G Drive. Okay? So I hope we are clear on the mobile. So ang imo naman subong, the next one will be on the code block. So sa code block, I think same man Japan himuon ta. So medyo may may lain lang configuration. So as instructed to you last naton nga pre-recorded. So kagtuto sa file, new, then project. After that, console application, then go, then next, then the next, then all you need to do is to type the project name or the project title also given in here. Okay, so the rate. Okay, where is it? Okay, ayan. So let's say for example, we have, don't forget to set the location kung di nyo isave ang file. On my part, isave ko sa drive D. Okay, tandaan ko lang sa drive D ko sabihin save. Drive D. Then we have assessment prelim. Ayan. Then next, then finish. So once you're done with the code, na-solve nyo na ang aton nga assessment. So after that, so all you need to do is to locate the location of this specific project. So on my part naman, on my end, dito ko sabihin save sa drive D. Then I will look for assessment prelim. Ano siya? Ayan. So based sa sa directory yung ginagamit nyo. Kung drive E, drive C, drive F kamo dagin na gano'n nagamit. So directory F yun na di ang pangitaon niyo. So on my end, I'm using the directory D as storage. Then double click ko lang ang assessment. All I need is only this main file, the main C++ source file. So that's the name. Kung naka-PC ni siya or naka-laptop ang inyong nga gadget na ginagamit. So imo nyo lang guys is to right click on it, then rename, and then make use of your family name o indicate your family name. Ato ang ginambra ko sa inyo bago lang, if naka-doble ang inyo family name sa inyong section, so you can put your first name also. So let's say on my part, Mandia, then okay. So that is kung ano na. kung may doble nga family name sa inyong mga section. So kung wala, you can put your family name. Okay? Now, so after you name the C++ file, so amo manin mo nyo just like the same sa mobile, i-copy nyo ni, then upload it on our G Drive. Okay, you can drag it naman kung sa PC kay medyo drag ang ilang content. Ari naman niya sa mobile phone niya dapat i-upload niyo gid manually. Isa aton nga G Drive niya i-provide. So I will be the one who will provide the G Drive link. Then all you need to do is to submit or upload your C++ file. Okay, I hope we clear on our instruction and at the same time the assessment. So if you have any questions, just message me, because if I cannot answer you immediately, so maybe as long nga makita ko nga may nag-inquire, so I'll try to make a time nga maka-reply gid ako. Okay, but the instruction is very clear on this video presentation. Okay, so thank you guys, and I hope all of you can submit the assessment on time. So the deadline is only for tomorrow or Thursday, no? Any time of the Thursday, as long Thursday lang. Okay, no extension nga ma-occur. Okay, so thank you everyone and good day.